Hello my dear students, welcome back again. This is class 4 science. We are doing the revision work. We are revising from chapter 2 teeth and microbes. Today we will continue with the next portion of the chapter. Today your topic is microbes. We will revise from microbes. This page, it is page number 14. Okay. So let us see microbes. First of all, what are microbes? What comes in your mind? First of all, definition of microbes. What are microbes? Microbes are very small living organisms that can be seen only through a microscope. You cannot see with your naked eye. You have to use the microscope to see the microbes. So microbes are very minute organisms or small living organisms that can be seen only through a microscope. Microbes are found everywhere. They can be found in air, water, soil, food, and also inside and outside the bodies of plants, animals and humans. Microorganisms grow rapidly when they get warmth, air, moisture and food. So this thing to be kept in mind, how microorganisms grow, which factors help in growing the microorganism. So microorganisms grow rapidly when they get warmth, air, moisture and food. So first of all we have seen what are microbes. What are microbes we have seen. Question. Then kinds of microbes. Okay, kinds of microbes. What are the different kinds of microbes? There are mainly 4 types of microbes. They are bacteria. 4 types or 4 kinds. Bacteria, next is viruses, next is fungi, next is protozoa. So there are 4 types of microbes: bacteria, viruses, fungi and protozoa. So what are bacteria? Let us see. Bacteria, they are single cell microbes and can be of varying shapes like rod shaped, spherical, comma shaped or spiral. So bacteria are single celled organisms and they are of various shapes, like they can be rod shaped, they can be spherical shaped, they can be comma shaped or spiral shaped. Next is virus. Virus is also microbes smaller than bacteria. Then fungi, they are single and multi-celled microbes and that can grow on dead and decaying organic matter. And protozoa, they are single celled microbes. So these are the 4 kinds of microbes. Now let us see, some microbes are useful to us and some are harmful. So there are 2 kinds of microbes maybe there. One can be harmful and one can be useful. Let us see harmful microbes. Harmful disease causing microbes are called germs. So there is a question there, what are germs? Another question comes here, what are germs? So harmful disease causing microbes are called germs. See here, we will see the table here on page number 14. The important microbes are there and the disease caused by them. So harmful disease causing microbes are called germs. Microbes, bacteria, disease caused by bacteria are typhoid, diphtheria, pneumonia and tuberculosis, better known as TB, tuberculosis. Next is viruses. Disease caused by viruses are measles, polio, smallpox, influenza, common cold. Fungi, disease caused by fungi are ringworm, athlete's foot. Protozoa, disease caused by protozoa are malaria, dysentery. So, these are the harmful bacteria, harmful microbes, they are called as germs, and the disease caused by these microbes. Then there are also some useful microbes. Let us see some of the useful microbes. There are some microbes that are useful to us in many ways. Number one, a fungus called yeast helps to make soft cakes and bread. Number two, lactobacillus bacteria, they convert milk into curd. They help to convert milk into curd. Then there is some bacteria that help in the decay of dead plants and animals. Then number four, some bacteria help to produce vitamins in our body. Then there is some bacteria that help in digestion of food in our body. So, these are some of the useful microbes here. Then here we will learn the keywords. Keywords on page 15. Keywords we will learn also. This is your one word answer. Page number 15. See here, one word answer, this one. The outside white covering of the tooth, it is enamel. The layer inside enamel that forms the main hard part of the tooth, it is dentine. The soft center of the tooth inside the dentine that has blood vessels and nerves, it is pulp. Thin sticky layer of germs covering the teeth, it is plaque. Very small living organisms, it is microbes, and harmful disease causing microbes, it is germs. So, this way sentence will be given, you have to write only one word. So, students, today up to this much we have revised. We will continue with our revision work on our next class. So, see you again. Thank you.